Hi, I'm Ashley.
I'm Adam, and today we're back to discuss
One of the most frequently asked questions that we get.
how much does a kitchen remodel cost?
The truth of the matter is,
The most honest answer that we can give you is
it depends. I know that's not the greatest answer. So what we want to do is go ahead and walk you through some of the things that it depends on.
it's like trying to answer the question, how much does a car cost? Many of us are familiar with what makes a car more or less expensive, and it has a lot to do with how it's made and the parts that go into it. Similarly with kitchens.
First and foremost, you've got to think of products. There is a huge variety of products out there that go into a kitchen remodel. Cabinetry, countertops, flooring, hardware, plumbing fixtures, backsplash, lighting, you name it.
There is such a big variance when it comes to the cost of a kitchen remodel, and it all depends on you.
So think, for example, you have a faucet. A faucet can be $100.
It can also cost $1,100. Now, the plumber is going to charge you the same amount to install either faucet.
So product has that big variable impact for us.
Another huge factor that contributes to the cost of your remodel is actually who you hire. And I know that sounds obvious, but truly.
There are essentially 3 different levels of who is going to perform the work on your kitchen remodel.
Here's what I mean. You could go and hire a handyman.
Or as we like to say, jack of all trades, but he's licensed in none. He's going to be the most economical route to remodel your kitchen. However, the entire burden of the design goes back on you. So if you're totally cost-driven, that may be the best avenue for you. So the next level of service and management would be hiring a general contractor.
A general contractor is going to carry that license, and he's going to source subcontractors for you. So he'll find you a licensed plumber, a licensed electrician, and he'll coordinate their schedules and manage the installation of your project. Now, the design portion is going to be left to you, as well as the products. Typically, GCs are not designers.
But he is going to make sure that the work gets done and it gets done well and to code. So this is a bit more expensive than hiring a jack of all trades to do the project for you.
The third option is a design to build firm.
Like KBF Design Gallery, where we help you with all of the cabinetry, construction, how you use a kitchen. So we're going to help you in developing the functionality of the space.
Now, a design to build firm offers the most in service and management of all 3 avenues.
Although hiring a design to build firm may have a higher price tag to start,
That often saves you money in the long run, as A, you're not second guessing, did I put the right tile in, did I use the right grout for my tile, and the color combinations. Whereas with a general contractor and a handyman, they're gonna look to you to let them know where to put the tile and where to install the cabinets.
a design to build firm is also often backed with a warranty that is supported by those manufacturer warranties.
So a design to build firm is a perfect fit for those that either don't have the time, the energy, the resources, whatever it is, to manage, schedule, coordinate, and design a master bathroom or kitchen. And now there are a lot of home builders or architects or engineers that build houses, but they're not kitchen or bathroom designers, whereas a company like ours specializes in those features.
We hope this helps you to understand some of the differences that go into the pricing range for a kitchen remodel. However, for more specifics, please visit our website, www.kbfdesigngallery.com, and click on the pricing tab. Also, don't forget, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube, and drop a comment in the comment section below if you have any other design tips and questions that you'd like to hear us talk about.